boy, the stock market rolling. Boy, the banks done bailed out. Silicon Valley and another bank working together. They done teamed up. They said they don't want that bad blood. They don't want that bad name out. That boy said they teamed up together. To me, I'm smelling a little something fishy right there. Because if they teamed up and they did that and that stock went from $20-something to $30-something, they knew what they was doing. They made them bets up on that thing too. Inside trading, Nancy Pelosi style. But I'm just saying, you ain't hear from me. Not financial advice, not no financial advisor. Just let you know what I think is going on. Late night talk. The banks is down. The stock went from stocks averaging out $100 and something. Homeboy dropped down from the 10th. When the banks, that bank run was serious. So they're putting that money together and try to ante on up so they won't look bad. You know what I'm saying? It's like a loan shark. You know what I'm saying? One of the top loan sharks out there. Go out there and go broke. And make all the other loan sharks like, man, you might go broke like, oh boy, I don't want to put my money in you. And crypto is going ham right now, boy. Crypto going ham. That's what it's supposed to do. That's why the banks, you know what they do with their money? They take your money and they invest your money. They play other things and do other investments with your money that you put in the bank. You know, they give you a 0.0000% interest on your money. What? You still don't believe in crypto? You still don't invest in crypto? Bitcoin gonna be the future. Cryptocurrency, it will be the digital currency of the United States. Don't know if it's Bitcoin, but I'll die with Bitcoin. I'm a crypto investor, enforcer, extraordinaire. Late night, let you know what's going on in the stock market. I'm watching the video. Oh, them call options, boy, looking good. Delicious. Okay. In the video, I'm watching that bank, PCE. I can't even got it. Where that thing go? I'm watching that mug too. Watching the bank, cause they gonna pump it. If they gonna pump it, it's gonna pump a little bit. Might dump a little bit. Cause they gonna get that money out, put it right back in. They gonna bring that back up. It may not be back up to 120, 130 where it was, but they're going to bring that thing back to at least in the 80s, 90s. My belief, my opinion. It's Money Coach up out of here late night. Invest in yourself in the stock market. If you ain't getting in there, I don't know what you're doing. Oh, links below in there. Go ahead and get that merch. Money Talk merch. Oh, store should be open this weekend. Boy, have some coding problems, boy. Learn how to code and having problems at the same time, boy. Doing all kinds of things. Money motivation, boy. Gonna let you know how it is. And gonna get a series on that, on how to make that money. Selling. Let's go.
Hey.
Back again.